Hey gorgeous fam, welcome back again to this channel. It's your baby girl here, Promise Breezy. Welcome back again to this vlog. I'm so excited to start this vlog today. Seriously, throughout last week I didn't post. I was not able to post. That was because I was not, it's not as if I was not feeling strong, but I was feeling strong in Jesus' name. Amen. Now hair when everybody they do, now I go do. I do hair when everybody they do. Now my own different do. Don't be smart thing, my people. So last week what happened was that I went to make hair. I did braiding and it caused me serious headache, guys. I had to lose the hair. I don't know if it's because we didn't use the hot water to press it well. I don't know if it's because it's too tight. I don't even know what to say. But when she was doing the hair, it was not really that tight like that, but after making the hair, it was just like, it was not in my head that it was doing the hair before, because actually when she was doing it, I told her to reduce it a little bit because it's painful. Although after, when I was doing the hair, it was not really painful like that, but after doing the hair, it was just like I don't know how to explain it, guys. I was feeling serious headache, and the thing even make me feel sick. So all thanks to God, I'm okay now. I even went to hospital. May you know I take serious. So I was not the list on my mind then was to pick up my camera to vlog or do anything. Well, how are you all doing? Happy Sunday to you all, guys. I'm so excited today to start this vlog. Happy Sunday to you guys. Today is Sunday afternoon. We just came back from church and I'm about to eat. I'm hungry. Hope you guys went to church today. I'm so excited. In Spain today is fiesta and so guys, come and join me to eat my jollof rice. Yeah, come and join me. Jollof rice and orange juice, fresh orange juice. Owen and his dad is eating white rice, but I don't want to eat white rice. I want to eat jollof rice. Guys, I'm so happy they have finally stopped mass in Spain. Like if I do makeup, you no longer wipe off with mask. I'm so happy for that reason. The only place you can use mask now is when you are going to supermarket. You need to wear your mask. Like, no, you don't need to wear it outside. Like when you are walking outside, you don't need to wear it. But when you want to enter inside supermarkets, you have to wear your mask. And when you want to enter inside bus, you have to wear your mask. That is the rules for now. But I pray they stop that soon. I can't just wait for them to stop it. Like, wipe it off, wipe the mask off. For now, we are enjoying walking on the streets without mask, and I'm so happy for that. Somebody will be going to church on Sunday, do makeup, wear mask. Or you will go to anywhere, you do your makeup and wear mask. You'll be walking on the street inside this hot sun. Seriously, mask is good in cold time, because it normally hold cold. It normally hold cold in cold time. But this hot weather, if you wear mask, Jesus Christ. I don't know if anyone noticed that, but masks do hold cold. I noticed that during winter time, because it was helping me to hold the cold, really. But this summer time, mask not be at all. Come and join me there. Jollof rice and talking sauce. But I didn't like the sauce. Today is fiesta in Spain. I don't know what I do. You know what's in there?
People yesterday. I mean,
Fiesta.
Yesterday, yes.
It's Fiesta right now in Spain. I don't know what they are doing. I don't know what they are celebrating. Spain not they finish for Fiesta. That one, will you sit down? You want to fall?
You want to fall?
After I do this food now, I'm just going to relax. Yeah, I told someone to help me to weave my hair. I also want to weave it like up back. Simbi go to school. That is the style I want to do right now. She said she will come today though. I don't know when she's coming, but before she come, I'll be relaxing. I can't wait to go to beach. Oh, I ordered my swimming wear. They have not arrived. Although if I want to go to beach, I have new one I bought last year. I actually bought swimming wear last year to go to beach. Last year throughout I did not go to beach because of the COVID-19. So the time that I bought my swimming wear to go to beach, finally the next day rain fell, and that was how winter started. So I still have that swimming wear at home, but I don't like it anymore. I ordered new one. It has not arrived. If I want to go to beach, I can just use that one first.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
So guys, I just finished bathing. All when I'm installed already bathed. Immediately they came back from church, they just took their bath before they ate. But me, I ate before I bathed because the heat is so much. It's just too much. So I bathed and I washed my hair. And right now I'm feeling so relaxed, so cool. My hair is so cool because I wash my hair with cold water because the weather is so hot, freaking hot. So although I'm going to be blow drying it, but I'll not do that right now. I'll not do that right now because the heat is much. My hair come. I'll do it later. So I'll see you guys later in the vlog. I think we have a visitor. I'm going to the sitting room now.
Many hours later.
So this is my Simbi go to school hair. I'm just going to be carrying this for now because the weather is really hot and I don't think of doing any hair for now. I told you guys about the hair I did last week. It was last week, and automatically automatic headache hold me. So I'm not ready to do any hair that we maybe like they will add attach for now. I'm not ready for that now. I'll just be carrying this one now for now. And if I'm tired, I'll just pull wig and go out. If I can't carry it like this, I'll just pull wig and go out. But actually I can be carrying this one like this for now. It's not bad at all. It's not bad. And she really cut it tiny. So me normally I don't used to sit down to make all this kind of hair. It's just that I want this hair to like stay long for me, because I don't know when next I'm going to be doing hair again. I'll just be wearing my wig for now. I'll be wearing wig. So guys, I don't really have much to do in this vlog. Right now I want to look for something to eat. It's 9 p.m. It's 9 p.m. and the day is not yet dark. It's 9 p.m. and this is how the outside is looking. Yeah, normally they don't used to dark early. Right now 10 p.m. before they will dark. That is how the summer is here. So I'm so happy because of these masks. They stopped, but I'm still praying they should stop the masks, like finally, both in the bus and in the supermarkets. I'm praying for that as well, for them to stop it. So guys, I think I'm going to be ending this vlog here. We don't really have much to do. I'm going to prepare noodles now for myself to eat. That's what I'm going to eat. So I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video. Look. See, I'm bring a comment again. And later now you they hide that. I'm not getting big belly. I'm not getting big belly. See, I don't hide that. No, honey, leave your belly. Leave for you hold on. Honey, leave your tummy. You hold. Oh, what's that? Okay, we're more next time. No, what you mean we're going? We're not working everywhere. We were quite working here. No, just now. I don't know if I'll snap you. Honey, you not do your hand not there like that. Not my hair. Honey, don't worry, I'm going to play this video for you. I'm going to play this video before I don't the video I video you before I say that as a boy now we are working. Mahalo ma way. No ma, I cannot say who I saw by my curry. No, but just now you know hold on. Just no. I don't my belly now. I don't my belly. See my tummy, guys. This is after one. I'm proud of it. Proud after one. Guys, don't mind also. That is how we normally argue in this house. That's how we normally argue for who have the biggest tummy. Oh my goodness, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye bye for now. I love you all. Oh wait, come and say bye bye. Have you finished your milk? Have you drank your milk? Have you drank your milk? He just woke up from sleep and he drank his milk. Have you finished drinking your milk? Why are you opening your teeth? You want them to see your teeth? Or you open it? Tell them your teeth is complete. The teeth is complete. So guys, great to be seeing you all in my next video. For now, bye. Let me kiss you. Let me kiss you all.